Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 14 by 14 canvas, and the colors that I'm going to be using today I've got from FolkArt. This one is Pearl White. I've got this one here, and it is Cobalt Blue from Loft. And this one is Antique Bronze, and that is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And this one here, I mixed this one. It's like a wine color. I used purple and red and kind of just mixed it until I got the color that I liked. I don't really know the amounts. I usually just wing it. So, but what I'm going to do today is a reverse ring pour. And I'm going to use a bigger cup. I mean, I did one before on a bigger canvas and I had to pour 2 cups. So I'm just going to start out with a bigger cup. I've noticed that if your cup is too small and you fill it too full, it's kind of hard to pour and it drips down the side of the cup. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to put the Pearl White in the bottom first. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, floetrol, and a little bit of water. So here we go. I've got the Pearl White in there, and now I've got the cobalt. Now I'm going to do the wine color. Not sure how those are going to mix together, but we're going to find out. And some more pearl. Okay, now I'm going to put the bronze. This is a really pretty color. Okay. A little bit more blue in there. And then the rest of the pearl that I have. And hopefully this will be enough. Alright, so I'm going to move these out of the way. That looks really cool in there. Alright, so I'm just going to start. I'm going to try to bend it just a little. Like that, and start right on the edge here. And I did not put any silicone in any of the colors. So there we go. Oh, I left one little hole. There we go. Alright, so now I'm just going to go over it with, whoops, popping air bubbles. There's a few, not too many. Alright. Kind of just move it around a bit. Here again. Okay guys, so we're going to go in for the close-up. This really is pretty. I got all kinds of detail. I let it sit for a little bit before I decided to show it to you guys because it just kept getting more and more. So it actually is very cool, these colors. I don't know if you can really see how they blended so nice. This side looks really cool. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty awesome. Alright, so I'm actually pretty happy with it. I almost was going to dump this because I wasn't sure about the middle, but the rest of it looks so cool that I just can't dump it. I think it just looks a little funky, so I'm going to keep it. Alright, well thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, check out the links in my description, and have a great day. Okay guys, here's the dried painting. Take you in for a little bit of a close-up. Right in the white, the pearl white part, you can see that it's spread out. You can see right those couple areas where the paint went over the sides. I actually like it spread out a little bit more. I thought it looked a little funky before. You can see that the colors, when it thinned out, the colors are coming through, so I do like that quite a bit. The colors look really, really pretty. And a couple places in the metallic, you can see right in there where it started to separate a bit. I actually think it looks kind of cool because you can see the colors from underneath. I think it adds a little bit of character to the painting. I'm not exactly sure why it does that, because there's nothing added to these paints. It's happened to me just a couple times in the past, but as a whole, I like this painting. I think it turned out really, really nice. Alright, so there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.